Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Cecelia O World. So today's video I'll be showing you part 2 on how to add patches to school uniform. I'll be showing you part 2 on how to add patches to school uniform. I actually did this video last year. I added some school badges to my daughter's school uniform, and a lot of people, they keep asking me, does the badge stay for a longer time or does the badge comes out? So in today's video I'll be showing you what I did last year, the patches which I added to the school uniform, and today's video I'll be doing another series where I'll be adding patches to these two new school uniforms. And just before I started the detail, I would like to show you what I did last year. So last year I added badges to my daughter's school uniform. This was done almost last year, almost a year ago. And if you can see, this uniform, they're very old and rough. So I added this last year, and this is still on because a lot of people, they've asked me, and I'm going to show you couple. This is another one. If you can see, you see all the hair on the uniform to show you that this is actually old. I did this last year, and I added the patches, and you can see the patches are still there. The uniform badge are still there. It's not coming off. This is the second one. This is another one. As you can see, you see all the hair on it to show you that these are not new. They are old. I added this last year, and I'm going to leave the video, the one I did last year, how I added these patches. I'm going to leave it in the link below. And this is one of the jacket I did last year for my daughter's school uniform. You can see this is old. You can see hair on it. It's very old. The patches is still there. It's not coming off because a lot of people, I keep getting that question. This is another one. I did this last year. You can see it's very old. The patches is still there. It's not coming off. You see the edges? So if you do this very well, it won't come off. I just want to show you this before I dive into today's video. So today's video, these are the ones I did last year, and the patches are still there, not coming off. So for today's video, I have these two uniforms, and I'll be adding these badges to them, these patches. You can do this on any type of uniform, and this is going to save you money. And all you need is, you need your patches to add to the uniform. You need a uniform, and you need this sticking tape. I got this from Walmart. I'm going to leave the picture in the comments below. I got this from Walmart. It's less than $2, and I've been using it since last year. And you need scissors, a pencil, and you need your iron. That is all you need, and you can actually get this done within 2 minutes. So I'm going to do this now and show you. You can do this at home, and like I said, if you do it, it can stay for a longer time. The first thing you need to plug your iron and put it on high. You need to plug your iron, put it on high, just like what I'm doing. And you need your patches that you'll be adding to the uniform. You need a scissors, you need a pencil. And the reason why I'll be using pencil is just to make sure I put the badge at the right spot. So I'm going to measure this out, my patches, my pencil. The badge needs to be on the right side. So I already measured this out. You see, I already measured out the circle where I will be putting the badge. I'll do the same thing for the second uniform. So I already measured this out too, where I'll be putting the badge. And these are new uniform. You see, these are new uniform. So the next thing I'm going to do, let's do the white first. So now I'm going to cut the tape. You need to cut the tape. You see the shiny part, that's where the tape is, the bond. You cut it out. You can see I want to show you. So here is what you need. This is what you will need to glue to add the patches to your uniform. This, you cut it out. And like I said, I got this from Walmart. So I'm going to pieces this. You have the band cut out. So I'm going to put it in the circle, in the circumference of the badge. That is the reason why you need your pencil to measure out where you're going to put the badge. So I'm going to put this. You try to fill up the circumference with this. Then I'll put my badge. I have the circumference here. I put my badge. And my iron is very, very hot now. So you take your hot iron. Remember, this is not done yet. Just gonna put it now and start ironing. And this will take you less than 2 minutes to do. Make sure your iron is very hot. And this is actually done. So within 2 minutes, you can add patches to your uniform. So I added a patch to this uniform already. You can see it's not coming off. So this is done. That is how to add patch to your uniform. Find this video useful, please don't forget to like it so that a lot of people can know how they can add patches to their uniform. And please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Cecelia O World. I do a lot about healthy diet, how to lose weight, how to live healthy. I do a lot about home decoration and budget. I do a lot about beauty, life hack. If you want your skin to glow, I do a lot about that. I have so many videos on my YouTube channel about how you can glow your body naturally. So please check it out and like this video. I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now. Love you all.